are playing Call of Duty War at War.
Nazi zombies.
World at War. Back to zombies. I'm on the top screen and my... This is the better place to flip. Ah! No! Get away from me. No!
Help, Derpy.
What?
We're gonna buy the store that says help.
Wait, wait. What? What?
Help.
Ah! Oh, I'm out of money. What the? Oh, that was you. Get away! Get away!
That one board
No.
was holding back.
No, what the heck? What got me? He got me!
Okay,
What just happened? What just happened? Stop laughing at me!
Hey, Derpy.
Stupid thing.
Hey, Derpy.
What?
I'll let you go with the settings.
Oh yeah, I forget about the settings. Was it game mode?
Nope.
Was it game rules?
Nope. Nope. Mission.
Ooh. This one?
Doesn't matter. You choose.
I'm gonna go and do that.
Kino Numa?
I kept my eyes closed.
Alright. I believe you.
And... Doop.
1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a fun war.
His name's Dempsey.
Exactly.
Oh, new map. Oh, wait. Ah! Sorry, that was you.
That's me hanging on top there.
I hate when you do that. Like, you run out in front of me and I think you're a freaking zombie and then they shoot you.